powered by BrainyBuyer.com, where real data meets real-world reviews. If our side-by-side breakdowns save you time and money, please tap that subscribe button so we can keep digging for the truth behind the specs. Hey, I'm looking at these two grills, the Nexgrill Fortress and the Weber Genesis 2S 435. What do you think?
Oh, interesting. I see a huge difference right off the bat. The Nexgrill is portable, right? More like a tabletop thing?
Yeah, exactly. It's got two burners and a little over 260 square inches of cooking space. Seems perfect for camping or a small patio.
Okay, the Weber is a whole different beast. It's a full-sized grill with 4 burners, plus a side burner, and times a sear station. The cooking area is massive, like 844 square inches, including the warming rack.
Wow, that's a serious grill. So the Weber is definitely winning on size and features. What about power?
The Weber cranks out a total of 69,000 BTUs, while the Nexgrill is only 13,500 BTU. So yeah, big difference there.
Makes sense. But for a quick burger or some veggies, the Nexgrill might be enough, right? Plus, it's way cheaper. I think it's like $179.
Very true. It's unavailable right now, but I imagine the Weber is at least $1,000. You're paying for that power, the extra burners in the Weber name.
What about build quality? The Nexgrill mentions cast aluminum and cast iron grates.
The Weber's all stainless steel, which should hold up well over time. It also boasts a 10-year warranty on many parts. The Nexgrill doesn't really mention a warranty length.
Good point about the warranty. And stainless steel is easier to clean, I guess. The Nexgrill does have a removable grease tray, which is a plus for cleanup, and a built-in temperature gauge.
The Weber has a grease management system also and is iGrill 3 compatible, so you can monitor the temperature with your phone. Pretty fancy.
Okay, so Weber wins on features, size, and probably build quality, but it's a huge investment and not portable. The Nexgrill is simpler, cheaper, and easy to take anywhere.
Exactly. It really depends on what you need. Small cookouts, camping, or tailgating. Nexgrill. Feeding a crowd regularly and want all the bells and whistles? Weber. And, if you can even find one in stock.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.